Recovering deleted messages on Gmail can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you retrieve those lost emails. Step 1. Check the trash folder. Open your Gmail account and navigate to the trash folder located on the left sidebar. Emails remain in the trash for 30 days before being permanently deleted. If you find your deleted message here, select it and click Move to Inbox to restore it. Step 2. Use the search function. If you can't find the email in the trash, use the search bar at the top of the Gmail interface. Type keywords related to the email, such as the sender's name or subject line, to see if it appears in other folders or labels. Step 3. Check all mail. Go to the All Mail label in the left sidebar. This folder contains all your emails, including those that may not be in the inbox. Look through this list to see if your deleted message is still available. Step 4. Recover from Google Support. If the email is not in the trash or all mail, you can try to recover it through Google Support. Visit the Gmail Help Center and look for the option to recover deleted emails. Follow the prompts to submit a request for assistance. Step 5. Enable email forwarding. To prevent future loss of important emails, consider setting up email forwarding to another account. This way, you will always have a backup of your important messages in case they get deleted. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of recovering deleted messages on Gmail. Always remember to regularly back up important emails to avoid future issues.